What's up, my lovely bobbies? It's a cold winter morning here in Bengaluru, and I'm headed to the Renault service center to get my car serviced. From what I can tell, my car needs an oil change and also it needs some new brake pads, bruv. People want to go to Japan for these cherry blossoms. Bruv, Bangalore has the best cherry blossoms. Guys, in the recent times, I've gotten obsessed with these AI animal videos. You've seen these cute cats, cute dogs dancing, right? AI dogs. Bro, I'm obsessed with that. Last night I watched a video of orange kitty dancing to Shararat. Hey Siri, play Shararat on Spotify. Bro, those cats are dancing to this. Have you guys seen the new Innova High Cross? Bro, this car looks too fucking good. Alright, we have reached the Renault service center. Not too far from where I live. Let me go see कितने का बिल लगने वाला है. Here we are in the waiting area, bobbies. Hopefully I don't have to waste too much time here because आज तुम्हारा शेर नहाने वाला है.
So you can get it on water wash now. So it is so much dust.
Inside?
We want to do water wash here.
Okay. भाई साहब, did you see the condition of my engine? There was so much dust. और ये सर्विस एग्जीक्यूटिव ने तो बोल दिया कि तू पहले बाहर से वॉश करवा के लाके दे, क्योंकि हम लोग वॉश नहीं करते. They are like सर्विस के बाद अगर हम तुम्हें गंदी कार देंगे तो हमें बुरा लगता है. And then he continues to say that we can't even clean it for you. Anyways, 8-9 हज़ार रुपये का बिल इसने बना दिया. चाहे आप कार यूज़ करो या ना करो, ईयरली कॉस्ट मेंटेनेंस 10,000 रुपीज़ आ ही जाता है. वैसे अगर कार्स की बात करी जाए तो ये नया टोयोटा का कार है, हाई राइडर. आई थिंक इट्स प्रीटी नाइस. अपेरेंटली 25 किलोमीटर पर लीटर माइलेज देता है बिकॉज इट्स हाइब्रिड. बट अगर प्रैक्टिकलिटी साइड में रख दें तो यार ये वर्टिस जो है, वर्टिस GT Volkswagen, that would be my dream car. Dream car यानी achievable dream car. 20-25 लाख रुपए में आ जाएगी and what a beast. So I'm back home now and it's time to get ready and hit the gym. Alright, so today we are training push, and push involves musculatures around the chest, delts and triceps. Now I don't usually do push-pull leg sort of workouts, but for the next 4 weeks my programming is going to be handled by my friend Shrivats. Now Shrivats wants me to do sort of like a modified push-pull legs. And today he wants me to train chest, delts and triceps. So let's go with it. So we are starting with lateral raises and we're going to be doing 4 sets of it. I have 35 pounds here in each hand. Let's go. So this is what Shrivats has given me. Dumbbell laterals, 4 sets of 5 to 12 reps. He wants me to vary the rep range depending on the weights. It's nice to have somebody else program the workouts for you, because now my job is to just come to the gym and put in max effort. Alright, so 4 sets of lateral raises are done. We now move on to pec fly. जिम हो गया और तुम्हारे शेर ने नहा भी लिया. बहुत हिम्मत लगी इस ठंड में नहाने के लिए, बट नहाने के बाद हीरो तो लग ही रहा हूँ मैं. Anyways, now let's finish our lunch. उसके बाद कैफे ऐफे जाके काम करेंगे. घर पे तो काम होता नहीं है, but this is our lunch. दाल, veggies, rice and chicken. Okay, fine, cool. What time? Okay, fine, I'll see you there. Bobbies, that was Kevin, and he has called us for dinner. He's leaving to Thailand tomorrow, and he's like, one last hurrah, come home, let's enjoy a good meal. So his dad is cooking for us, so let's go in the night. We'll finish up our work before that. बिल्कुल एकदम स्कूल के बच्चे जैसे बैकपैक पहन के निकल चुका हूँ. Let's go find a cafe. मेरे घर के पास है एक आध, but I prefer going to Indiranagar, so I'll take the metro and maybe I'll try a new cafe. Otherwise Araku तो है ही. I love going to Araku, bro. It's my spot. आज सुबह से बादल हो रहे हैं. लगता है रात को डबल पहनना पड़ेगा. The New Year weekend is over and looks like Bangalore is back to work. I'm sure जिस किसी भी कैफे में जाऊँगा, everybody will have their laptops out. You know, there are some cafes in Bangalore that don't allow you to use your laptops. For example, Cafe Plume. The one that Shefali and I went to, they have the best croissant, by the way. Cafe Plume does not allow you to work on your laptop. Araku to ye raha, but I am thinking, why not try some other place? So there's another cafe called as Humble Bean. Somebody recommended this to me a couple of weeks back. Let's go check them out. Bro, this is a long walk from the metro station. I've already completed 9K for the day. I've arrived at Humble Bean Cafe. क्या बोला था, लोग लैपटॉप पे काम कर रहे होंगे. I can see them through the window. Very nice looking entrance, bro. अभी मैं आया हुआ हूँ Humble Bean, and अगर वाइब की बात करें तो ठीक है, and कॉफ़ी भी ठीक ठाक है, but what I really like is this standing work setup. 1 घंटे से खड़े होके काम कर रहा हूँ. I got a lot of work done. Coffee भी ठीक ठाक थी, but I prefer Araku when it comes to the coffee. But what I really liked about this place was this board, Find Your Coffee Match. तो इन लोगों ने एग्जैक्टली लिख रखा है कि अगर तुम्हें ये टेस्ट पसंद है तो इस वाली कॉफ़ी के लिए जाओ, अगर ये टोन ये फ्लेवर पसंद है देन इस वाली कॉफ़ी के साथ जाओ. सो दैट्स समथिंग गुड बिकॉज विथ कॉफ़ी देर इज़ सो मच वेराइटी. अब हो रही है ठंड, मैं तो पहन रहा हूँ अपना स्वेट शर्ट. चलो भाई अपना काम हो गया. नाउ लेट्स हेड होम. हेड होम क्या, वी हैव टू गो टू कविन्स हाउस, बट आई एम थिंकिंग दैट आई नीड अ चिकन टिक्का बिफोर गोइंग. ठंड बहुत क्रेजी है भाई आज तो, ट्रैफिक भी. अभी मेरे को एक कॉल आया गाइस, somebody wants to meet me. Look who just arrived, Bobby's. Chef Nax is here and she's going to be joining me for the chicken tikka. But first, one cup of tea. Today I had coffee as well as chai. What were you doing in Indiranagar?
I was actually in Whitefield. I had a meeting in Whitefield and then I came to see you in Indiranagar. Can they hear me?
Yeah, they can hear you. My mic is right here
Okay.
in my Dad Dad Dil. Yeah, so you had work and you were going back home and you wanted to meet me. Even I have work, bro.
We have different types of work.
Oh ho. Today to Alishan looks too good. Protein sorted. Now it's time to say bye to chef.
Bye.
Bobby's. I've now come to Kavins area. What's up?
What's up, guys?
I'm taking you to his house now, and this is going to be the creepiest experience ever.
Hey.
Kavin lives in the middle of bumfuck nowhere, okay? And this is the way to his house. His dad just found a piece of land in the middle of nowhere and built a fucking bungalow. Let me show it to you guys. Check this, bro. Does this bungalow not look like an Airbnb in the middle of nowhere? This is Spike, guys. Spike, say hi. What's up, bro?
Bro, my dog's on CBD, bro. Just by the way, we had to put this guy on like fucking marijuana.
He's on CBD here.
Like
Because he's...
CBD drops because he's like fucking hyperactive.
Guys, this dog is so hyper that he's on drugs.
Look at him, bro. You can see it in his eyes.
Yeah, oh bro, he looks high, bro.
Out. There you go.
You're sending him out, huh?
Yeah. The problem is, if I send him out, he'll start fucking howling.
Now let me take you to Kavin's kitchen. Let's see what Kavin's made for us. Holy, bro, that's a little much for 3 people.
It's okay, bro.
That's because 2 people backed out. Hari and Adit were supposed to join us, but it's only me, Nishok. Bro, roti also. Plenty of food, Bobbies.
Oh shit, no peach yogurt. Oh, peach yogurt.
What?
This is, in my opinion, my humble opinion, this is the best yogurt in the world. My sister found this shit. I don't think there's any yogurt in the world better than this. Holy shit.
What happened?
Should I tell the vlog about my neighbors? My family, we are very normal people. We have suspicion that my neighbors are doing black money laundering. Suspicion. I don't know anything. But bro, you see that house? It's like my house, little smaller, but it has a pool. And they have 5 dogs. But the owners are never there. The 2 caretakers are always there. My parents allegedly, I've seen them do the... I haven't seen, my parents have seen.
Okay, Bobbies, let's do this Milky Mist peach yogurt taste test. Oh, bro, I can see chunks of peach in there.
Yeah, I don't know how they manage it. I don't get peach in Bangalore, by the way. Not easily, at least.
What are you saying? You have the biggest peach here. Bobbies, just check Kavin's Hot Wheels collection.
This is the special cars.
Oh, there are more.
So these are all German, these are all Italian and British. These are all movie cars. I don't know if you guys have watched Fast and Furious. But the most expensive is this. So if I still had it in the cover, these go for like 20k INR.
How much did you buy it for in India?
I traded it with one guy who didn't know what he had.
Shit! You traded it, oh?
Yeah, I gave him some bullshit, Hot Wheels makes like toy cars, like not real. He's like, oh, very cool. And he was a kid. So.
Guys, he traded it with a kid.
Hey, I was also a kid. I was just a small
Okay. I thought you scammed a kid. Bobbies, can you hear the neighbor's dogs barking? That means Nishok is here. Let's go pick him up. Guys, so Nishok had come and Spike the dog ran out of the gate. So now we need to go catch hold of him. This is gonna take some time. Where did he go, bro?
This is where the haunted witch lives.
What actually, yo?
Yeah,
This house is haunted, huh?
Nanavati murder case, bro.
Can't find him, huh?
Okay. I told Spike, okay, come. I saw Kavin like that. I just did this. Spike ran up from here.
You just let the dog out and we don't know where he is.
Yeah, I let him out, bro. I didn't let him do shit. He fucking just ran out in this much gap.
So now the plan is we'll eat dinner and then we'll go look for him. Please play it for us.
boss. You guys want ghee rice or what?
I want regular rice, no ghee rice.
You want ghee rice?
I've loaded up my plate with rice, mutton, and some beetroot. And I forgot to mention, Kavin makes this banging sambar. Bobby's done with dinner, and we've now headed out looking for Spike, Kavin's dog. God knows where he ran, bro.
It's him.
Is that him?
It's Spike.
Is that Spike? Bro, that's Spike. Spike, you cunt.
Watch. No, don't. He'll run away. Watch.
Spike, you piece of shit. Look at him, he's running away.
He's running away.
Spikey, not on the road. Spike.
Fucking idiot.
Bro,
You want to deal with every time.
shit, bro. Now he's going home. Bro, now he's going home. You gotta be kidding me.
Go, Kavil, go.
Bro, fucking Spike, you piece of shit. I'm going to put an Instagram screenshot. Strava. Okay, Mohit ran a marathon.
10K.
10K. This Nishok was guilt tripping for the last 2 hours because he thought that he lost Spike. And this bastard was just chilling with his street dog friends.
This bastard, all because of you. Because of you, I didn't eat properly, you know that?
Kavin, we got the dog, bro.
He's happier than me, bro.
Yeah, Nishok's happy as fuck. Nishok thought gone. He's asking Kavin, bro, how much do you love Spike and all? He was checking with Kavin, are you going to miss your dog? Bobbies, we've now come to Milano for desserts. I hope they're not shut, bro. They're cleaning and all. Burn 1,000 calories in 90 minutes.
Oh.
What studio is this? Yoga studio. Yeah, sure, you're burning.
Hot yoga, bro.
Hot yoga, sorry. Yeah, sure, you're burning 1,000 calories in yoga, bro. Hazelnut and...
Hazelnut, dark chocolate.
do you want to try baklava? Kavin?
No.
We were the last customers at Milano. I've gone for dark chocolate and baklava. Kavin's gone for...
Coffee and coffee first time. Truffle is my regular.
Okay. And Nishok's gone...
Guess.
The OG, guys. Nishok's gone for the OG, dark chocolate and hazelnut. That's the elite combination at Milano. Bobbies, say bye to Kavin. He's going back to Thailand now.
Bye guys. See you soon.
We never know when we'll see him next.
Actually,
Right?
yeah, that's actually true.
Say bye.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye. Bobbies, that's it for this vlog. See you guys in the next one.